In this era, information spreads like wildfire. But the problem is, most of this information should not be spreading. Okay, so first of all, I assume you downloaded cryptography and you have set up the Python things and everything is set up. So I will make the file and now you have to import format. So we say from cryptography.format import format, and then we have to make the key. So we say key is equal to format dot generate key. This will generate a key for our encryption. Now we write the message if we want to encrypt. I think we should do this later. Okay, so now we make the format variable which has format in it, but with the key inside it. So, and now we make encrypted message is equal to format dot encrypt, and then we write the message which you want to encrypt. So let's make it here. So we say message is equal to hello, and now we put the message here, message dot encode. And now if I print the encrypted message, let's see what it gives. So if I run this, you can see this is a very weird thing. This is what we wanted, right? We are going to encrypt our message and it is encrypted very well. No one can understand it. And now if we send this to our friend for safety, and then the friend itself doesn't understand the message and what it is used for, is useless. So now we have to decrypt this message. So we say decrypted message is equal to format dot decrypt. Then we write encrypted message in it, and then we say dot decode. This time we will put the dot decode outside the brackets. So now if I print the decrypted message and run this, as you can see, we see hello here. So this was it for today's very short video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.